Hi, I'm Chris Bryce from superservice.com, and I'd like to talk to you about how to select wireless communication cards for a laptop. Now, wireless communication cards can deal with either air cards that would be used with cellular phone providers that happen to provide broadband internet, such as Verizon, AT&T, Sprint, those type companies. Wireless communications card can also be used for wireless networks or Wi-Fi hotspots, where you're using a straight wireless network card rather than connecting to an actual service, a broadband service of any kind. So we'll go over both of those as far as selecting a wireless communication card. The first of those is going to be based on the broadband connection that you're going to be needing, whether or not you're going to be in a rural area or not most of the time, and how fast you want to be able to connect. AT&T and Sprint are the main leaders in the broadband wireless communications cards for laptops as far as air cards go, but Verizon's picking up ground very quickly. Now, between those cards, you're going to look at the rate plan that you have to get in order to use that air card. Also, the price of the card itself is going to be a variable. Some of those cards are free if you sign 2-year activation agreements. Some of them may be a couple $100 depending on which one that you choose. So you're going to want to look at all of those variables when you're making a selection for an air card for broadband service. Now, as far as the Wi-Fi cards for the actual laptop itself for a wireless network or Wi-Fi hotspot, you're going to look at a couple of different variables. The main is going to be the type of technology that's used on the card and the range that's picked up on the card. You'll hear letters out there like wireless A, wireless B, wireless G, wireless N. Those are the different types of technology, with wireless N being the newest as of today. Wireless N allows you a range of between 1,000 and 2,000 feet, depending on the obstructions that are in the way, or lack of obstruction. Now, this means that if you're in a home or an office, you can sit up to 1,000 feet away from the home and still be able to connect to your wireless network inside the house to access internet or to share files across the wireless network. So that's the one that I would normally suggest getting. Now, the wireless G cards are going to have a similar range, but they're going to be around 200 to 400 feet. So it'll be a little less range, but you'll also save some money on doing that. Now, those are the main features to look at when you're considering between wireless communications cards for your laptop.